In this video, I'll show you how to create a TonKeeper wallet. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open the Play Store, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Once you're there, simply search for TonKeeper. Next, download the TonKeeper app to your device. After the download is complete, go ahead and open TonKeeper. When the app opens, you'll be taken to a screen like this. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a blue button that says Create New Wallet. Go ahead and tap on this button. You'll then be asked to create a passcode. Enter your passcode, and after that, re-enter it again to confirm. Once that's done, TonKeeper will ask if you'd like to enable notifications, so you can be alerted whenever you receive Ton tokens or NFTs. You can choose to turn this on, or you can tap Skip in the top right corner if you prefer to do this later. As you can see, your TonKeeper wallet is now set up and ready to use. Your wallet address is displayed at the top of the screen. And that's how you create a TonKeeper wallet. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you could drop a like below and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.